Yeah, now, if they say Judas Rapknowledge, do we mean to say that your credentials have this name as well, or we do have the original name?
Yeah, original, like that's the government name. The government name is Kalara Dan, right?
Kalara Dan.
Yeah, Kalara Dan.
Yeah.
Then Judas Rapknowledge is for the street.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like I am the band.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, I do have my other name.
Yes.
You know, Bernard. Yeah.
Yeah. Correct.
He is the band.
The band, just to make it.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
So, which year was that you really made up your mind and you say, I must do music?
It was back in, you know, I've been doing music, but not like going to record yet. I've been freestyling in my yard, in my mirror, you know, in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Then it reached a time when I'm like, nah, man, I need to step into karaoke.
Yeah.
That was back in 2006.
Wow.
2006, I started flowing in karaoke. Those of legendaries like Smokey, they were musicians already.
Yeah.
So they used to watch me perform. Lemix, they don't rest in peace, Lemix. So they used to watch me perform. And one time they called me, they're like, man, you'll be one of the best, you know, rappers around. I'm like, really? Then I couldn't believe myself by that time.
And now you are.
Yeah. So
it was a prophecy.
Yeah, I'm grateful right now, you know what I mean? Yeah, it was just like that. Wow. Back in 2006, I started holding the microphone.
Wow.
Yeah.
Before we go deeper, what has been your hurdles, like your barriers, your hindrances, like the tough moments that you've faced so hard? That,
it's a lot, man.
Okay.
You know, when I started my music, it was still few, we were few in that genre. Yeah. So cause they don't believe, like in northern Uganda, they never believe in music, hip-hop music. They used to say the music that they talk on it, you know what I mean? So they didn't believe in rap. So no good promotion. Then like me personally, they used to say my music is full of diss track because I picked the wrong, maybe the wrong category in the hip hop, because I picked battle rap. Okay. So, you know, me, I do hip hop battle rap. So it's more of like bragging and, you know, telling people that we are there, we're here, we're representing. So my people mistook it like I am, you know, Judas' music is full of bragging, we don't like him. So something like that. But now they came to realize that after me dissing somebody in Sierra Leone, they're like, oh, so this is so useful, you know, so this guy took us far with this type of music. So I appreciate them, but right now they believe in me, so it was just like that. Yeah.
Wow, this is really great.
Thank you.
So I know you, just like he said, you're going to be one of the best.
Yeah.
And right now you actually one of the best, if
Thank
not
you.
the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes. I just you talk about the genre. Are you specifically for hip hop?
Yeah.
Or you can also be flexible at sometimes and you do other genres.
Yeah, versatile. Yeah. I feel you. Like, you know, sometimes when you're collaborating with some other artists doing a different genre, you need to be versatile, because they cannot, you know, my type of music is too hard for some other musicians to relate to, you get. So when if I'm doing a collabo, I have to be versatile. Like I did a song called Balance, me and Pat's Culture. It's a dancehall type of music and Afro, you know. So ladies and everyone is vibing with it in the club, but it was not complete hip hop. But me, I do old school. When it comes to me alone, I'm old school hip hop.
Wow.
Yeah, I call it old school gangster battle hip hop, you know. Wow. So it's just like that. But I can, you know, I can flex styles in any type of beats.
Yeah, I remember you did the song with Easy.
Yeah,
I think it's it goes a little bit to like Kubuku at some point, isn't it?
No, that's not me. Oh man,
that wasn't you.
No, that's Luxy.
That's Luxy.
Yeah, me, I did African Warrior, me alone, and it was kind of bland.
Yeah.
A producer, Paul Elias, came up with an idea. It was like, Judas, I want you to do something different. I'm like, what? So it was like, you like too much of old school, but right now I want you to first bend a bit and do something like this. So he was bringing those drums drum. Then I did African warrior in it.
Wow.
So we were just portraying, like, you know, the image of a warrior, African warrior, in the song.
Wow, and I remember you had almost like an album of that.
Yeah, like...
You still have them?
I have Labon Gipe.
Gipe.
Yeah, that was a real story. You know, people have been sleeping on me for long. So if you listen to my albums, I have stories. Like that package, it's a different story. Yeah. Every package is a different story. So when you listen to Labon Gipe, I was talking about the origin of Luo.
Yes, yes.
To Acholi and Aluru. Yeah, so it was just, it's a beautiful album, like so educative. So I don't know, maybe I'll bring you your copy, like hard copy, because it's good to keep around, you know.
I really keep in my archive, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I really like that Labon Gipe.
Thank you.
Because right now it's one of the trending issues. It's really the issue at the moment, because we are going to have Luo Convention in Toronto in August this year. And recently there was a meeting, you know, we had a meeting, a consultation meeting with the Luo Foundation.
Oh yeah.
And there's been this issue of Labon and Gipe that also rose. And I think it's trying to say, okay, fine, if our ancestors did not do anything about it, I think it's high time we came openly now and then we reconcile Labon and Gipe.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
That's the issue.
Wow.
And I think it touched everyone's heart.
Nice.
And me personally, I really want to see that come to pass.
Nice.
If this can come together and then they say, today we put an end to the curses, to the those words that were spoken that may actually bring about misfortune and other things.
Yeah, back in the land.
It has to go away now.
Yeah, for real.
So I can't wait to see that happening. You know,
I know.
So it's really good if you do such songs.
Yeah, I did a song. You can go on Spotify, you know, iTunes and everywhere, Amazon's, all the music platforms. If you go there, the stores, you can get that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you just need to listen to it. Maybe, you know, okay, like people outside there, overseas, they're not too much into the culture. They want to learn, because you know, so you can go. That music is part of education too. Yeah, so you can go over it and makes you, you know, interact in the conversation well.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes. Now, I know before you get into music, something or someone must have inspired you.
Correct.
Who did that?
Oh man, I don't know if you know that, but my inspiration came overseas, like from US.
Okay.
There's a guy called Rakim Allah. I don't know if you know him. He's one of the God MCs in the rap. Like those days, they started like the godfather of the type of music I do. And Nas, people know me for Nas.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Nas. I know you know him, because back in the days he used to vibe with it too. So, but from northern Uganda, I gained confidence from Lumix, because I didn't believe that the thing could happen here. You know what I mean? I used to watch guys there, you know, guys used to spit on the mic. But when I heard Lumix in 2004, I bought his tape, Amalo album, and started banging to that track, like morning, you know, back and forth. I'm like, oh man, this guy is good. So I went and approached Lumix and I told him, you know, Mix, I love what you do, you know what I mean? I feel like joining the industry. So Mix was like, whoa, you want to join the industry? I'm like, yeah. So that was from karaoke. Then he was like, okay, go and perform. I want to see you. Then I went and performed and grabbed the money. By that time, Juma Jama was the MC. So Juma gave me my money. It was 30 bucks. 30,000. So from there, 30,000 is a big thing. Yeah, too much. Then Mix was like, buy me bottles, man. I pushed you to the stage. I'm like, man, I'm gonna do that. So he was like, nah, I'm playing. So it's just like that. So those are my inspiration. And my inspiration even comes from life. When I'm writing music, it comes from life, and you know, life in the community, nature, and sometimes in my meditation when I'm talking to myself, I've put myself like you know, someone else listening to myself. So that's how the inspiration comes.
I think that helps you to analyze your song before you can
release.
you can release.
Yeah,
sure. Now, before I ask you how you describe your music, Judas Rapknowledge, where is his village? Where does he come from?
Yeah, nice question,
What tribe is he?
Yeah.
Which clan does he come from?
Correct, man.